In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy an entire Google Slides presentation to another slide deck efficiently and effortlessly within just 5 minutes. So let's get started. First, we're going to head over to Google Slides. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the Google Slides website. Once you're there, the next step is to sign into your Google account. If you haven't already, you'll find the sign in option typically in the top right corner of the page. Just click on it, enter your credentials, and you'll be set. After signing in, you'll be redirected to the Google Slides homepage. This is where you can see all of your existing slide decks. To proceed, you will need to either begin a new presentation or select an existing template. You can do this by clicking on the blank presentation option or choosing from one of the pre-existing templates available. This choice will serve as the new destination for your copied slides. With your new slide presentation open, our next step is to locate the File option in the menu bar at the top of the page. Clicking on File will open a drop-down menu with several options. What we're interested in is the Make a Copy option. This will allow us to duplicate the slides into our newly set up presentation file. Once you've clicked on Make a Copy, it's time to select Entire Presentation from the options available. Choosing this ensures that the entire content of your Google Slides presentation is copied over exactly to your new presentation document. After selecting this, you might be prompted to give your new presentation a name or select where you want to save it in your Google Drive. This organization step is key if you like to keep your files neatly arranged. It makes future access so much easier. And that's it, you now have your entire Google Slides presentation copied over to a new presentation. This method is quick and simple, saving you time when you need to work with multiple versions or share content with others. Remember, mastering these small tasks can significantly enhance your productivity and make your presentations far more impactful. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, don't hesitate to reach out. Happy presenting.